Okay, here's a little thing we've been working with last time. This is not structures, but continuing on with a little bit more architecture because there's a lot of questions. So let's, first of all, this roof is not on. I just turned it off to have a look at the stairs, and I can't quite remember how I did it. One thing I will check is VV and go to roof, and the roof is on, so probably what we did is down here, reveal hidden elements. We must have just turned it off in this view, so you can highlight it, right click and unhide view elements, then turn off this button here, and the roof is back. Alright, I just wanted to correct that view. Now, one question we had is if we have an underlay. Okay, so if we have an underlay, how do we copy from the whole lot of walls? What I did with this example here, I actually extruded the walls up. So there's one wall that goes from ground right to the top. But I suppose if we were to, and I might actually open up the original one of this without this alteration for that example I want to show you rather than this, because the walls go right up and it's a bit of a problem. Let's do this on here. Let's open up another one. Okay, let's look at the Revit stuff here. Let's just pick up the last project here. So I suppose this is the one we finished up with. Take a minute to come up from release 13 to 14. 74% tells us down here. 75%. And there you go, the last 25% just happened like that. No issue. Alright, so here's our little house. So what we were talking about last week, if we wanted to add another level, basically we will add another level. Basically we'll go to south and we can add another level. This is your ceiling level, so your new ground floor level will probably be a bit further up. So let's just view here. Sorry, where is it? It's an architectural, sorry. Level. Just go hang around there, come up a bit. I only want to go, say, 400, that would do. Let's put it there, it's one level. So that new floor level will be there. Now the problem is, that's the new ground floor level, but where is the new floor plan going to be? Is it going to be, is there going to be a gap between here and there? That's the problem you're faced with if you don't take the walls from ground all the way up. If you're building them on level by level sort of thing, there's some gap issue that you want to bring up. Anyway, I'll leave it there. We'll just not worry about the gap at this point. Let's go to that level because we haven't got too much time there. So this is the level we got. I'm just going to turn off the roof here because it's going to be confusing to have the roof on here when it shouldn't be there. In fact, I will create another level to put the roof on anyway because I've got to throw the roof further up. But if my design changes for the second level, then that roof won't work anyway, so I might as well delete it sort of thing. So I'll just turn it off for this exercise. I'm just doing it on the fly. I should have maybe just done a brand new one altogether because I got all these bits and pieces everywhere that don't make too much sense. Now the underlay here is level 1, which is basically the previous level, but the previous level in fact doesn't have anything on level 1. Everything's on ground level. So if I make an underlay being the ground level here and apply that, it shows us what the house looks like underneath. So we can do a new design based on that, or we can copy some of the walls up to the second level. Alright, so generally what you might want to, if you want to keep the shape happening, you just control key, add those, say, maybe even that, but that sort of goes up. Anyway, I'll copy those 3 walls and maybe do something else over there. Alright, so what we'll do is just copy. Alright, so then you've got options for pasting. Alright, paste from clipboard. So that's basically pasting it right on top of itself. Align to section levels, align to selected views, align to current view, align to same place, align to picked level. Alright, so you can pick a level that it goes to. Alright, let's see if that works for us. You have to actually pick a level. So we haven't got that here. So basically what you need to do is go to your level, is it called level 2, the new one? Not sure what it's called now. I didn't really take note. Where is it? There it is, called level 2. So I've got level 2. There it is. Alright, so back to modify, paste to same place. That would be on this level. Alright, or usually align to selected views is what you do. Align to selected levels. There's another one. Yeah, so you go. So align to selected level, so you can go there to 2. So even if you're not on 2. Alright, warning: there are identical instances in the same place. This will result in double counting in schedules. I'm not sure where they are, but it's just a warning for us to have a look. Not sure where there's identical instances. Now, why isn't this showing us? Because they went to the on top of it themselves. I'm not sure why. If I just delete that from it, it did say they were identical. Yeah, they're on top of themselves. So I don't know why they went there. But let's go back to level 2. The other way is to just basically Control V. So if you go, level 1, ground level. Let's copy. Sorry, I copied them from the underlay. Yeah, sorry, I stuffed up. Maybe that's the problem. Control key. Should have copied them from here. Control C, or you press that button there. In theory, align to selected levels. Okay. There you go. That worked. All right. So let's go to. So there they are. See that? There's a gap I was talking about, but anyway. Alright, so up here now, you can go to level 2. So what I did is that button there, the second one. So you can actually select, if you do like 10-story building, you can select all 10 of them at once. And just copies it all up. And you can do that with windows and doors and whatever. Alright, so let's go to alright, so let's go to this level here now and finish off and do some more sketching inside or whatever. So but here you might say, okay, well out here for the top level I'm going to make that a bit longer. Alright, so watch this thing here now. If I go 15, let's make it a bit longer, 20,000. Okay, it went one way, which is good. But if it didn't, I had to do something else. Alright, so then you can just right click here and go create similar. And just let's go from there, for example, and just join it on there, do something trendy. So let's see what we got there. Change this. Find view. So that's what we're doing for that other level at the top. And obviously we're going to have to disassociate this with the roof, and we've got flat and unjoin it or whatever you do. All right. So that's how you copy from one level to the other. Was that answer the question? No, maybe. And then you can do something different, and then the roof we can throw up the top here, or redesign the roof, or delete the old roof, or whatever. Then you have to close this gap here, so you have to like make this top of the wall go to the underneath of that, which is not all that difficult to do. But we did muck around with this wall, and we did change, the top bit offset 110 down, so you have to reset all that back now. So this is like, after what we've done is more difficult now, but yeah. Right, thank you for that. I'll pause that then.